Okay, students. Now the next concept is France becomes constitutional monarchy. France becomes constitutional monarchy. It means constitutional monarchy. What is the meaning of this? Here, constitution also will be there and monarchy also will be there. It means both together will rule the country. Constitution plus monarch. Both the system will be carried on. Why it happened like that? First points here. Drafting of French constitution completed in 1791, because you all know that National Assembly met at tennis court in Versailles and they completed the drafting of the constitution of France. So it happened in 1791 and power was divided among the three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. So here one person is not taking the decision. Three organs are there. So whenever any decision has to be taken, discussion will be done by the three organs. Next is Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizens. Earlier, only the rights were given to the first and second estate people. But now, according to the new system of the government, even other people, the citizens of France, will get some rights. Fourth point is duty of state to protect citizens' natural rights. See here now how we have fundamental rights in our Indian constitution. Fundamental rights means they are written down in the Constitution of India. So nobody can take away our rights. Only during the time of emergency, government can declare to limit certain rights of the citizen. But other time we all will be enjoying the fundamental rights. In the same manner, these rights which are given to the citizen of France are written down in the constitution. So the duty of the state is to protect the natural rights of the citizen. So here monarch has to agree for whatever is written in the constitution of 1791. So it's called as constitutional monarchy. It means even the monarch has to obey the constitution. So this is how France became constitutional monarchy.